Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the system option. Now, as you can see on the fourth position, we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options connected to the date and time, and as you can see, most of them are inactive. It is because we are using the network provided time, so we have to turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar pick the date we want to use. So let me randomly pick this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it, and from this clock pick the one you'd like to set. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. Let's change the time zone, also tap on the region. And as you can see, here we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically, you have to find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We've set 10:30. Here we've got also the time format, so we can use local default, or we can manually decide what kind of format we want to use. So currently we are using 12-hour format. If you'd like to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can go back to the previous settings, so use network provided time and time zone, just tap on this switcher right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.